Imagine we build an application and run it on a server. The application is working perfectly. Now comes the real problem: how will customers access this application? The application is running on a server, and that server has an address on the internet. This address is called an IP address. An IP address looks like a long number, something like 34.120.56.10. Computers understand this number, but customers don't want to remember such numbers. So technically, customers can access the application using the IP address, but it's not practical or user-friendly. This is where the next problem comes in: how do we make it easy for customers? The solution is DNS. DNS allows us to give a name to that IP address. Instead of asking customers to remember numbers, we give them a simple name like bookings.com. When a customer types bookings.com in the browser, DNS works silently in the background. It finds the correct IP address for that name and connects the customer to the server. So the customer never sees the IP address, they only remember the website name. In simple words, the application runs on a server, the server is identified by an IP address, and DNS connects the website name to that IP address. That's how customers are able to access applications on the internet. So in summary, IP address is the server's address, and DNS is the system that helps customers reach it using an easy name. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and tech explanations.